you excited to go to the jelly bean factory?
Yeah.
Put on your glasses, Boo Boo. Put on your glasses.
Wave.
Yay.
Ooh.
Should we go do the tour?
Yeah, aren't we? Looks so cute.
My girl, you gotta put
It's
the
just
thing
gonna fall off though.
You gotta wear it.
Okay.
It's an indication that you paid for the.
Cool.
Or is this one? How big your thing is?
Thanks so much for coming to the Jelly Belly Factory today. We are a family-owned company operated by the 4th, 5th, and 6th generation.
Hi, I'm Bill Kelly. My cousin Herm Roland and I are 4th generation candy makers.
I'm Herb Roland.
You wanna see me? Okay, let's go down this way first. Okay, look at all these jelly beans.
Wow.
Strawberries. Okay, you either put it in the jelly beans inside the box.
You'll have to keep your eyes open when you miss it.
Okay, you see the video?
Employees work fast to crank out all those bags into larger cases, send them down the line to ship out to stores near you.
Wow. Cool. Look at that.
See all them in the crate?
It creates and fills up to 15 Jelly Belly gift boxes per minute. We can pack up to 50 individual Jelly Belly bean flavors in specific compartments thanks to this machine. The base of the box is folded, glued, and shaped, while a plastic tray holds individual flavors. And filling 50 flavors at a time is something that, wouldn't you know it, only Jelly Belly does.
Only jelly beans.
Now here's a machine that makes a lot of people happy. This machine has one job.
Look at all those bunches of jelly beans.
15 Jelly Belly gift boxes.
Wow. So cool. This is how jelly beans are made.
This is where they package them,
Box
right?
is folded, glued, and shaped, while a plastic tray liner is added. Everything works in harmony to send your favorite treats out the door. Operators and mechanics are constantly helping to modify, fix, and maintain these machines. And workers around the world. And the target is technologically refined Jelly Belly art. Can you spot the silver bean? Or an image of Mr. Jelly Belly among all that beautiful candy?
We have a private collection of Jelly Belly art pieces that you'll see on your tour today. We also tour our Jelly Belly art pieces
Isn't it
around
so
the world,
cool?
so many people get to appreciate it. There's no limit to the imagination, and that's what I love about Jelly Belly art. Using a material like a jelly bean to create.
Beans are delicious and fun to eat, but did you know they can also be used to make real works of art? From afar, this
Wow,
looks
look
like a
out
regular
there.
mosaic. But here, look closer. Even closer. It's actually made entirely out of jelly beans.
There's so many different.
Whoa, look at that. I know. You smell bubble gum?
This is magic. All those little drums you see below, the ones that look like miniatures
you see those drums?
have a big job to do. Candy
See all those drums spinning?
50 pounds of
number ones
chewy,
are spinning.
jelly
They're
jelly
making the
bean
jelly
centers
beans
of these
softer.
spinning drums. And they play also known
Fun?
as the immersive style.
Yeah.
This is pretty
See?
magic.
They're doing the same thing in the video.
You see below, the ones that look like miniatures and objects. Before it moves on to the next step, when it's all said and done, they will have crafted 400 pounds. At last, we've reached the beginning of the full operation. It all starts here. This is where the center of the jelly belly jelly bean is going. You can't
Wow, look at that! Look at all those jelly beans!
and there's a reason why it's so popular. Candy makers create
Evan, look at the packaging machine.
the hot list of candy makers. Candy makers carefully and precisely by flavors and colors to give each individual flavor alike. For example,
See it?
Redbubble added twice the color flavors here. Real ingredients like this are never possible for flavor and color.
Look at all the machines spinning. You see it? They're polishing the jelly beans. Like strawberry. Not strawberry? Yeah. You see? Yeah. Mom, look at this. Look at all the boxes.
Wow, look, they're going down the conveyor belt. Wow!
This entire area is filled. It can hold more than
Wow, cool!
You see the machine? Look, it's gonna pour the jelly beans. Whoa!
Wow, look at that robot!
Look at all the jelly beans going down. Look over there. Down there.
jelly beans right about here is where it happens. The robot friend down there is alone. They're too large to fit. Here's one of the last layers of the jelly belly factory.
What am I looking at?
It's like a sorter. But there's all the jelly beans are being sorted out right now.
already know it takes 7 days to make a jelly belly bean. Wow.
So where do we look at that picture that they took?
Wow, you want it?
Well, I just want to see it. Okay. I don't. No, it doesn't look very good. Okay, that's a cool machine. Smile! Smile! Hi! Look at mommy! Hey.
Say bye-bye. Say thank you. Alright, let's go.
Did you have fun at the Jelly Belly factory? Yeah. Can you show me what souvenir you got? Blue. Oh, a blue jelly bean magnet. How cool. Awesome. What are we doing right now? Are we going home? We're gonna go home. That's right. Okay, say bye. Bye. Can you wave? Bye. Bye.